In this world, where darkness sometimes seems to overshadow the light, there exists a beacon of hope, the unwavering spirit of animal rescuers. Their stories are not just tales of bravery and compassion, they are living proof of the power of kindness and determination. From the bustling streets of cities to the remote corners of the world, these heroes tirelessly search for those in need, their hearts filled with a singular purpose: to save lives. With each rescue, they face challenges that would make many falter, yet they press on, driven by an unyielding love for all creatures great and small. In the midst of chaos and despair, there are moments of pure magic, the instant when a trembling paw reaches out from the darkness, the soft whimper of a lost soul finding solace in a gentle touch. These are the moments that remind us of the beauty of humanity, the capacity for empathy that transcends all boundaries. As we witness these heartwarming scenes unfold before our eyes, we are reminded that every life is precious, every act of kindness a beacon of hope in a world that often feels cold and indifferent. So let us celebrate these unsung heroes whose selfless deeds remind us of the power of love and the resilience of the human spirit. In the end, it is not just the animals that are saved, but our own souls, touched by the profound beauty of these rescue stories. May their courage inspire us to be better, to reach out a helping hand to those in need, and to never lose sight of the light that shines within us all.